Welcome to Macmo Academy. In this video, we will understand associative law of multiplication of matrices. So we already have done multiplication of matrices, and by doing this particular law, we will be able to understand that how to multiply if there are three matrices together, and also we will cover this particular law which is applicable on multiplication of matrices. So when we have done the multiplication of matrices, we have seen that the commutative law is not applicable on multiplication of matrices. For example, if we have two matrices and we are doing this, so this is not true for two matrices. So commutative law is not applicable on matrices. We have already seen this. In this video, first we will check the associative law of multiplication on three matrices. So you need to remember the law. Law is very simple that if there are three matrices, first two matrices will multiply, then their answer will be multiply with the third one. This will be a one side, and on the other side you need to multiply the last two matrices and their product should be multiplied with the first one. So if there are three matrices, you need to remember it like this: 1 multiplied by 2, then multiply by 3. You cannot change the order, otherwise your answer will not come correct. So first on the right side you need to multiply the second and the third matrix first, and then you need to multiply the first matrix. So this is the law. You need to remember it as it will not be given in the question paper. Only the question, it could be written like this: that verify associated law of multiplication of matrices on the given matrices. Now we have three matrices A, B, C. First do left hand side. So on left hand side we need to do A, B first. So as we already know about multiplication, as the columns of the first matrix is equals to the number of rows of the second matrix, so we can do multiplication over here easily. So first matrix row will multiply with both the columns of the second matrix. So 1 2 are 2, 0 0 are 0, 1 1 are 1, 0 3 are 0. First row done. Now second row with both columns. 2 2 are 4, 1 0 are 0, 2 1 are 2, 1 3 are 3. So A multiplied by B will be equal to 2 1 4 5. Now you need to multiply this particular matrix with matrix C. So for A, B multiplied by C, we need to multiply 2 1 4 5 with matrix C, which is 1 2 4 0. Now you will follow the same method obviously to do the multiplication, that row with column. So 2 1s are 2, 1 4s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 1 0s are 0, 4 1s are 4, 5 4s are 20, 4 2s are 8, 5 zeros are 0. Finally you will get left hand side is equals to 6 4 24 8. So this is your left hand side, AB in bracket multiply by C. Now let's do right hand side. On right hand side we have the same matrices, but the order is changed, so we need to do BC first. B multiply by C. So B multiply by C. So 2 1s are 2, 1 4s are 4, row into column. Again the same row will multiply with the second column. So 2 2s are 4, 1 0s are 0, 0 1s are 0, 3 4s are 12. Now 0 2s are 0, 3 zeros are 0. So your BC will be 6 4 12 0. Now you need to multiply this particular with A. So be careful with the order. You need to write A first. So A bracket BC means that A multiplied by this matrix. So A is 1 0 2 1, multiply with this matrix 6 4 12 0. Now let's do it. 1 6 is 6, 0 12 is 0, 1 4 is 4, 0 0 is 0, 2 6 is 12, 1 12 is 12, 2 4 is 8, 1 0 is 0. So by adding it or simplifying it, you will get 6, 4, 24 and 8. So you can see over here that your left hand side is equals to your right hand side. This is verified. So this is associative law of multiplication of matrices, and you can prove it, but you need to remember the order and you need to remember the law as well. So now let's see another law related to multiplication of matrices. Alright students, so after proving associative law of multiplication of matrices, now we have distributive laws of multiplication over addition and subtraction. So you can see over here I have written all the 4 laws which are possible related to it. So it's very easy, you need to only remember one of them and then you can easily understand the second one. So over here we have distributive law of multiplication over addition like this, that a bracket b plus c is equals to ab plus ac, you all know, but it is called left distributive law, okay. And over here it is written a plus b bracket c, it is right distributive law, and you can remember it like this. Left means on your left of the bracket there is a matrix which will open the bracket, and right distributive law over addition means that there is matrix on the right side of your bracket that will open your bracket, and this is how it looks. And same for the subtraction, there is no change except sign. It is written plus over here, it is written minus, it is written plus over here, it is written minus. So what will we do? You all know how to multiply, you all know how to add, so we will take any one of them and we will prove that, and the remaining one you can do by yourself, and for any query you can ask us. So let's take the example of third one, this one, distributive law over subtraction, left distributive law over subtraction. We are doing this one over here right now, and the remaining one you can do by yourself as practice. So let's say we have 3 matrices, 1 2 0 1, 1 2 0 1. Second matrix B is 4 3 1 2, 4 3 1 2, and the third matrix is 2 1 0 1. So now as we are doing the third one, so according to third one, if you will take the left hand side, we have a condition of b minus c. So let's do b minus c first. So b minus c means in addition and subtraction of 2 matrices, you need to solve the corresponding elements. Means first element with first, second with second, second row first element with this, and so on. So 4 minus 2, 3 minus 1, and in subtraction you need to be careful with the order. B minus c means b first minus then c. 1 minus 0, 2 minus 1. So b minus c will be, now let's directly write it, a bracket b minus c means that a multiplied by a is 1 2 0 1 multiplied by b minus c means 4 minus 2 2, 3 minus 1 2, 1 minus 0 1, 2 minus 1 1. Now let's do the multiplication of it that you already know how to do. So let's quickly do it. 1 2s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 1 2s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 0 2s are 0, 1 1s are 1, 0 2s are 0, 1 1s are 1. So left hand side is equals to, which is a bracket b minus c, 4 4 1 1. So this is our left hand side of this particular question. Now let's do the right hand side. For the right hand side we have a multiplied by b minus a multiplied by c. So a multiplied by b, already you know how to do, so we have already done this. So A multiplied by B will be 6, 7, 1, 2. You all know how to do multiplication, that's why I am writing it directly. So A multiplied by B, you can do the multiplication of A and B by yourself, and you can check that you will get the answer 6, 7, 1, 2, right? And then A multiplied by C will be, you know how to do multiplication, you can do by yourself. A multiplied by C will be 2301. Now you need to subtract them. Just writing AB minus AC. So AB minus AC, 6 minus 2, 7 minus 3, 1 minus 0, 2 minus 1. So you will get 4, 4, 1, 1. So you can see over here that you are getting same as left hand side. So left hand side is equals to right hand side. You have proved the law or verified the law. So in matrices multiplication, we have this type of questions in which we need to verify or prove or show that. So we have to show that means that you must get left hand side equals to right hand side, and if it is written that not equals to, then you must not get equals to left hand side or right hand side. So this is how it works. And in multiplication of matrices, we have multiplicative inverse as well, very important topic, and we will cover it in the next video. So thank you for watching the video. I hope you have understood the concept. For any query, you can ask us in the comment, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.